This morning in The Blend, we're joined by Deidre Davis, Chief Marketing Officer with MSU FCU. Good morning, Deidre.
Good morning.
All right, so I want to ask you, when it comes to budgeting for a new home, what should you be sure to include?
Well, definitely you want to think about your down payment. So that's something that if you know that you're going to be looking for a house in the future, start now because you can never really have too much of a down payment saved. And then you'll also want to consider transitional costs. So you might need to end your lease and there might be some kind of payment that's necessary for that. Or even if you need to sell your own house, there could be costs associated with that. So you want to save for both of those.
Yeah, absolutely. Good advice. So what should you do first before purchasing your new home?
Well, definitely make a list of any must-haves that you're going to be looking for when you're out house hunting. So that might be a fenced yard, a certain number of bedrooms or bathrooms, those priority items that you really want to make sure are in your new home. But then also remember that sometimes you can't get everything on your list without maybe a higher budget. And so you might need to reprioritize some of those things that you thought were non-negotiable and be willing to reconsider. But when I say that, another option is just to save longer and come back into the market when you do have enough money saved or you're really ready to get everything on your list.
What do you tell consumers when they're looking for houses? Is there anything else that they should keep in mind?
Well, something that people don't always take enough advantage of is to ask all of your questions to that real estate agent that you're working with because they're experts and they can really help answer things that you're uncertain about. They can give you a lot of really valuable information to help make this a great experience for you. And then also you want to make sure that with that thorough understanding of how it works, to not get caught up on superficial things that you might see in a home. And so whether that paint color you don't really love, you can change that. And maybe it's a fixture. Again, you can change it. So don't look at those minor things and let them prevent you from getting into a really great home.
And how can MSU FCU help us?
Sure. Well, we offer a really great first-time home buyers program, as well as adjustable and conventional rate mortgages. And then there's also home improvement and home equity loans as well.
All right, well, what we're going to do is make it easy. We're going to put your information on the screen. If you'd like to find out more about MSU FCU and all the options that are available, there are 14 branch locations locally: East Lansing, Hazlet, Okemos, Charlotte, Mason, Holt, and you can go to msufcu.org for more information. Deidre, always good to see you. Thank you.